Let's make a very delicious mocha cake to perk you up in the afternoon.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
Let's combine our dry ingredients together. 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix together, then add 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. It's time to separate our eggs. Take extra care when separating your egg yolks from your egg whites. Be sure not to contaminate your egg whites with even a bit of egg yolks, or else it wouldn't rise. Add 1/2 cup of Arla UHT full cream milk and add 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter into your dry mixture. Then mix well. Meanwhile, add your cream of tartar to your egg whites. Beat your egg whites until fluffy before adding your sugar gradually. Be sure to beat it at low-medium speed. Continue mixing until you have stiff peaks. Fold in your batter into the egg foam. Be careful not to deflate your meringues. Line your pans with wax paper. And divide the batter into the 2 pans. Tap your cake a few times to release the large bubbles in your batter. Be sure to check the doneness of your cake with a toothpick. Turn the cakes upside down into a cooling rack and allow to cool for a few minutes before removing the pan. Peel off the parchment paper and let it cool completely. Now let's prepare our mocha buttercream. Coffee in the evaporated milk. And let us cream our room temperature Arla butter until light and fluffy. Slowly drizzle the condensed milk. Continue to beat. Then add the coffee mixture. Add the vanilla, a little salt, and powdered sugar. And continue to whip until everything comes together to make a smooth buttercream. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Now we are ready to frost our cake. You can use a piping bag to do it, or you can just use your spatula. Then decorate your cake however way you want. Today we use chocolate ganache. Don't forget to grab a copy of the Baking Simpol cookbook and learn to make a cake like this and decorate it any way you want. Try this recipe, our mocha cake, simple!